Good afternoon, class, for Mr. Reller's very last homework help video. I know we're just all the kinds of depressed inside. But today for my last homework video, help video, we're going to talk about 9.9. We're talking about the volume of a triangular prism versus a rectangular prism. And we talk about prisms are just being shapes with 6 faces. So you can see here on this very front page here, I have one face, two face, a back face, a bottom face, a side face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's mess up. 1, 2, 3, 4, front back. 5 faces, I should say. 5 faces. It's a three-dimensional. What I'm trying to get is it's a three-dimensional shape. It's a three-dimensional triangle prism. Okay? The rectangular prism has 6 faces. The triangle one has 5. My bad. Not a great way to start the video off, am I right? Alright, first one. From our homework, we've seen problems like this. I don't want it to be like this anymore. I want to. Okay, we have problems like this. I'm going to write down a height of, let's say, 7. Sometimes they're going to have a thing like this. They have an arrow pointing here, or an arrow like this. It's going to go area of 3. If this is the case, if you have a problem like this where it tells you an area of 3, the basis area is 3, then there's all you have to do is multiply that number, so 3, by 70 at the volume of this. Base times height. So the base was 3, height is 7, you get an answer of 21, let's say this is inches cubed. Okay? It gives you the area. If it says the area of the base, I think in the problems too, those are the ones that are shaded in. They're like dark blue color. But under study link, they might not be shaded in. It might just say the area. But all you have to do is then take that number of the area of that base, multiply by the height. We have our height, we have our base. Okay? So another problem. Then you'll have problems like these. These are the ones we have to pay attention to. Okay? You'll have a problem like this. I'll actually copy this quick because I want another one. Right? You'll have a problem like this. It'll say this side here is 3. It'll say this side is 4. And it'll say this height is, let's say it's 6. Okay? You have a problem like this. Well, if it only gives you the numbers, then you have to solve the area of the base. I look at this base, it's a triangle. So I'm going to take the base right here, the height right here. 4 times 3 gives me 12. Since it's a triangle, I have to divide by 2. So that means the area of my base is 6. You cannot forget this step. You have to divide by 2 when you have a triangular prism. You have to. So you have 6 area of our base. Now we take that, multiply it by the height, which on this problem was 6. Gives us a volume of 36. We'll say this one was centimeters. Centimeters cubed. Does that make sense to everybody? I hope it does. Okay, I want to do one more like that. So I'm going to go on page. I'm going to put one marker down. I'm going to push in the page. Okay. This one, we have a side of 2, 4, and 4. It's a triangle on the bottom. I'll label my base first. I'll say this is my base. This is my height of that triangle. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 divided by 2 gives me an area for the bottom as of 4. So the area of my base is 4. Take that times the height. 4 times 4 gives me a volume of 16 units, whatever units cubed. You have to divide by 2 on the bottom there because it's a triangle. Okay, so the next one. Same thing. They might give you one like this. You might say there's an area of 7. So the height is 3. In this case, all I have to do is, if they give you the area, 7 times 3 equals 21 units cubed. That's all it is, 7 times 3. Base times height. Base times height. Difference? This one. It might give you this as that, then I go 7, and then I might go height of 3. Well, then you have to do this. Okay, here's my base. Here's my base. Here's my height. I had to find the area of that first. Remember, it's an apartment building. It's a building. Had to find the area of the base first. 7 times 3 is 21. So 21 is the area of the base. Of the base. Take that number, multiply it by the height of the apartment building. In this case, 3. For this answer, we have an answer of 63 units cubed. I don't have to divide by 2 because it's a square. It's a parallelogram. It has 4 sides. Since it has 4 sides, I don't need to divide by 2. Now, if this were this one, if you go back to this one, we had to divide by 2 because it had a triangle base. It had a triangle base. This one has a square base. No need to divide. This one has a square base. No need to divide. So the difference are, go to this rule, triangular prisms. I even use the step, triangular. So base times height divided by 2 is this area of base. Okay. Step 1. Step 2. Area of base times height. Now, a lot of cases, like I said, in some of those cases, they give you step 1. They give you the area of the base. If they give you the area of the base, move right to step 2. Area of the base times height. For rectangular, easy. 1 is base times height equals area of base. 2, area of base times the height of the whole building. See the difference? We're not dividing by 2 here. It's the only difference. I hope this helped on your homework. Good luck. Have a great rest of the school year. I'm sure I'll be in to check up on you sometimes during the year. All right. Have good luck on your homework.